This is Daniel Buezo, co-founder of Kids of Immigrants, and today I'm here with Complex to show y'all the unboxing of our new shoe, the Kids of Immigrants T90 Mule. What we have here is the goalpost wrapping paper, the velvet brown, and the KOI exclusive, the khaki color. What I love about the shoe this is like our convertible chancleta. You can wear it with the flap. You can also remove the flap. It comes with two laces. This one comes with a brown lace, and then my favorite, like the orange red pair. Inspired by the shoe of the house, the shoe of the family, the shoe of the people. Bringing the inspiration from our home, from our immigrant home into a shoe, and creating it with, within the Nike space and the Nike T90, bringing back the Mule. A lot of people don't know that the T90 Mule was something that it never came back out, but there is a T90 Mule. A lot of these colors and textures are always are inspired by ACG Archive. Love the cork insole, you know what I mean? So if you want to wear them with socks or no socks, you good. The cork is going to absorb your sweat. Well, we also have this. It's our Easter egg, which is a global entry card with a reflective mirror here. The khaki color is exclusive to Kids of Immigrants only. And the black pair will have a later launch on sneakers and other stores. Kids of Immigrants, Nike T90 Mule. Peace.
What's good, YouTube fam? Swaggytrice here, giving you guys another video for today. And today, as you guys saw by the intro video, because I wanted him to describe the meaning behind the shoe and why they did what they did with the shoe. So we have the Kids of Immigrant Nike Collab. Just got these in yesterday. Classic boxing. Got Just Do It on the box right there. Then we got Together, and we got 3062 right there. Kids of Immigrant right there. Logo. And I did go true to size. I did try these on. They fit good, and I know like a lot of people were kind of concerned about, them chopping the top off the shoe and them not being able to, fit comfortably, but they fit good, and they cover a good bit of your heel, so they don't slide while you're walking, so that's good. But I would not wear these without socks. I would wear socks because it'll keep your foot secure in the shoe. And my guy explained in the video, you get your card with the mirror in there. Thought that was tough. An extra pair of laces that we get. It's actually, just one pair of laces, yeah. The Nike T90 Mule. Tough. Now, I wanted this colorway. The black colorway is tough, but this colorway is exclusive, and I won a raffle, so I'm just happy to have these in hand. But I know y'all are here for the detailing of the shoe, so let's go ahead and get into it. Materials on the shoe are dope, man. This is like a hairy suede up here. This shoe is almost like premium in my opinion. And then you got the soft suede that wraps around. And up here, of course, you got the Nike logo and that red and gold up there. And then, of course, up here, underneath, you got laces right here. Now, I did not unlace these yet. So you got your hidden laces. Now, I'm gonna just keep this flap down. You got the tongue underneath that, and on the inside you got this cardboard, which I thought was neat, and then you got the Kids of Immigrant logo in there with the Nike swoosh. And then on the bottom got the red Nike logo, purple pods, and black all around. So yeah, this is a nice summer shoe, just to put on the go, still look stylish and whatnot. So I really like these, and I'm glad I have these in my collection. Overall, go true to size. These are comfortable, nice summer shoe. Yep. So I will be wearing these a lot. They will be in rotation. But if you like the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below if you got any questions about the shoe and whatnot. But as always, I'm about to get into this on feet for you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay blessed, stay good, manifest, pray, be patient. Whatever your passion is, put a lot of work into it and build it up. Like any family, relationships, anything that you love, put that amount of love into whatever it is. But let's go ahead and get into the on feet of these. Swaggytrice, I'm out. Peace.